Hello everyone, I'm Elia Mohsin and I work in the Dean's office as the Deputy Manager. You can reach out to me if you have any queries related to the school, core to the school, or if you want to be connected to relevant departments. I'm always here to help. Basically, MGHSS has a school core. It has been recently introduced. There are 6 thematic buckets, and each bucket has particular courses that you have to take in order to fulfill it. School core की कोई भी details होंगी from the Dean's office, मैं और Hira Javed मेरी colleague है, we would be reaching out to you and we will give you all of the details. These buckets are spread across 4 years. So first year में 3 buckets हैं, then sophomore year में there's 1 bucket, then in your junior year and senior year you have to do 1 and 1 bucket. इस तरह से ये 6 total school core की buckets हैं. MGHSS has a very unique 3-tier system. We have peer advising leaders. Basically, these are and who we call PALs, and these would be your seniors, and we will connect you with them ताकि वो आपको guide कर सकें and you can reach out to them easily. The next are the academic advising staff. These are basically the staff colleagues, and we all will guide you about issues or queries related to enrollment, your degree progression, the school core, major electives, free electives, ये वाली सारी की सारी information we will be helping you with. Then the last are the faculty advisors. Basically, faculty advisors are there to help you with any career path questions you have, but they're basically there to give you pastoral care, and you can reach out to them by requesting a meeting. Basically, the school provides a complete advising system. You can always reach out to the faculty members and discuss some of these problems. But if you have serious conditions, then we will definitely connect you to our counseling services, and they're going to provide you with professional help. Basically, the degree is divided into the school core, then you have your major cores and major electives, you have your 3 outgroups, and then you have free electives. So ये जो free electives वाली category है, इसमें आप जितने मर्जी out of your school भी ले सकते हैं and within your school भी ले सकते हैं. जो 3 outgroups हैं, basically इसमें हम encourage करते हैं students को कि outside of your own school आप courses लें, and there are specific streams जो हर major के लिए count करती हैं towards the outgroups, and the whole advising staff would be guiding you throughout your 4 years ताकि आप वो कर सके. Basically free electives में तकरीबन 10 to 12 या sometimes with the combination of credit hours आपके from 13 to 15 आपको courses मिलते हैं to take outside of your school. So in your first year आपको minimum 30 credit hours करने होंगे, and your CGPA should be 3.6 or above to achieve the year's end Dean's honor list. From sophomore year and onwards, आप लोगों को minimum 32 credit hours complete करने हैं with a CGPA of 3.6 or above for the year end Dean's honor list.
Hello, this is Salman Amin. I am the program coordinator for the Paul Sai program at Mushtaq Ahmed Gurmani School of Humanities and Social Sciences. I am open for the queries. If you have any questions, you can come to me, and I am readily available to answer your queries. Thank you. For the first 2 years, it is highly encouraged that you can take courses out of your main interest. That is like economics, anthropology, sociology, whatever you are interested in. And then afterwards, after 2 years, when your major is being declared, then you can follow the courses. That is your degree requirements.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Anam Khan and I work here at the Dean's office at MGS HSS. I oversee multiple responsibilities, including the Learning and Mentoring Center, which kind of provides tutoring services to students who need help with reading, writing and communications, skills that are basically essential for again a liberal arts college degree at MGS HSS. Other than that, I am also the editor for our school magazine and I oversee other multiple administrative responsibilities here at the Dean's office, MGS HSS. So yes, the school actually provides multiple resources for students. One of them is the Learning and Mentoring Center, which I direct currently, and the purpose of the center is that we provide students with individual tutoring in again different areas, whether it's you need to build foundations in mathematics and economics, or whether you need to build your English foundations. Other than that, we also have the academic writing lab, which is housed in this school, and they help you with kind of higher level skills. For instance, you need you need your essay edited for an English course or a history course, but if you want like really your basic skills to be honed, then I would recommend that the Learning Center is the resource that you should opt for. Yes, actually it doesn't depend on what major you have. Anyone from any major can apply for our international exchange programs. We have an international affairs office which is headed by Dr. Waqar Zaidi, and you can reach out to that office to get more information regarding exchange programs, but it is open for everyone.
Hi, my name is Zofia Javed and I am the program coordinator of History, English, Religion, Writing, Communication and Islamic Studies. You can reach me at zofia.javed@lums.edu.pk at any time. For course details, you can contact the relevant coordinator, and for course outlines, you can contact RO. Prerequisite is a minimum requirement to get into a course. For example, for a 300 level course, you should have taken a 100 level course. These are decided by the instructor, and you can find all this information on the course memo on RO portal. Sorry, we do not encourage any student to change their university course sections. You can, however, swap your section with another student and generate a ticket at RO help desk. It means that you need to get permission from the instructor to enroll in that particular course. If the course cap is full, you cannot be enrolled in it, and also we do not encourage forced enrollment in any 100 level courses.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Hira Javed and I work in the Dean's office, MGSHSS. I work as a student service associate. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Yes, inter-school transfer is a possibility. However, a seat in another program cannot be guaranteed as each school has a different criteria. In MGSHSS, students declare their major at the end of sophomore year, that is 4th semester. Major declaration criteria is given in the handbook. You will be able to apply for your preferred major at the end of sophomore year. Just to reiterate, your admission has been in the MG SHSS as an undeclared student. You will be receiving email from the Dean's Office MG SHSS, and your advisor will also be updated on some mail. Of course you can, however, different courses have different enrollment requirements that you may look at in the course memo or online on Zambil. Please reach out to Office of Financial Aid for scholarships. Yes, of course it is possible. Details regarding minors have been given in the handbook. No, student at least has to take one course from the STEM bucket to complete the MG SHSS core requirement. As an MG SHS student, you will not be able to enroll in more than 16 credit hours. However, within the allowed credit hours, you will be able to take a course for transfer.
Hello everyone, my name is Jamshed Iqbal and I am the Senior Program Coordinator at the Department of Economics. Our Econ Math stream has limited number of seats. That's because it's a really extensive stream which has a lot of math courses and econ courses that you will have to do. Hence, we have kept only 30 students for those streams. Our Econ Math stream has minimum requirements that you will have to do before getting that major, and those minimum requirements are that you need at least 3.3 CGPA and minimum grade of B in linear algebra and calculus 1.
Hi, I'm Nazish Riaz and I am Senior Officer in the Office of the Deans MGS HSS. I am the point person for all the communications from the Office of the Dean MGS HSS, and from me you all will be receiving all the news updates of the faculty, students and the departments. And if you have any query related to the Office of the Deans, you can directly write us at dean.mgshss@lams.edu.pk.